Hello all, let's see how to build a virtual machine for your application packaging activities in VMware Workstation. Okay, now first go to create a new virtual machine, click on new, then here choose install a disk image file, then you should have already downloaded the Windows 10 image. If you have not downloaded the Windows 10 image, you can go to the description box. There we have given you a link. Go ahead and download from that particular link. So let me go to browse. Click on this particular ISO. This is my Windows 10 ISO. Click on next. Choose Windows 10 x64. Click on next. Here you can go ahead and give any location that you want. Click on next, and you can rename it as packaging machine as well. Then click on next. Next, you'll go to customize hardware. My machine is having 16 GB RAM, so I'll give 8 GB for my virtual machine. For my packaging machine, I'll give 2 processors. Click on close. Finish. Now I can power on. Click on I finished installing. Now your virtual machine is started. It's going to install. Click on go with defaults. Click on next. Install now. Now here you can choose any version of the operating system that you want. Let me choose Windows 10 Enterprise. Click on next. I accept the license terms. Next. Click on custom install Windows only. Click on new. Apply. And then click on next. Now your installation has started. Now here, based on the region, you can select. So I'm going with default. I'm going with the United States. I'm going to click on yes. And next, I'm going to choose the right keyboard layout. So all of us across the world, we use US keyboard layout only. So I'm going to click on US keyboard layout and click on yes. I don't have a second layout for keyboard. I'm going to click on skip. Now go and click on domain join instead to create a local account. Here you have an option to create a local account. Name it as packaging machine. Okay, give the account name as packaging machine. Click on next. Give the password as the password that you can remember. It's asking me to confirm password. Click on confirm password. Click on next. It's asking me a security question. What was your first pet's name? Let me give ABC. Then what was your city you were born in? Let me give Delhi. Name which your parents met. Let me give New York. Click on next. Once you complete your security question, you're setting up your account. Click on accept. Click on accept. Now, if you see your device is up and running, the next step that you have to do is you have to install something called as VMware tools. So your machine is quite faster when you install VMware tools. Click on VM on top, click on install VMware tools. When you click on this, after this you go to your My Computer. If you go to this PC, here you have the option called VMware tools. Double click on this. Click on yes. Now you can see it is installing. It will open up a prompt. Just go with the default installation after it opens up a prompt. If you see here, it says welcome to installation wizard for VMware tools. Click on next. I'll always go with typical. Click on next. Install. Now after this, click on finish. Class for a reboot, give reboot. Now log in using the password that you have given. Now if you go to VM here, okay, or view here, you get fit guest window. You will get a bigger screen now. Now, after doing this, if you want to bring in certain applications from your base machine, you can create one shared drive here. For that, you have to go to VM settings, options, shared folder, always enable, and give the share folder location here. In my case, it is C drive package working folder. Okay, then click on this is the package working folder. Click on next, next, finish. Click on OK. Now, if you come to network, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the network discovery and file sharing. Yes. Then after doing this, it will go for VMware host. Here, you will be able to see my package folder. This is how you install your virtual machine to perform the packaging activities. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and teammates. Thank you.